आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so hello everyone. Now this question says that match the intermediates given in column 1 with their probable structure in column 2. So we have been given the intermediates in column 1 and we have to match them with their structures given in column 2. So let us begin with the first one. The first one is a free radical. So first of all, let me draw its structure. So let me write free radical. Okay, so let's say I have this carbon atom and it is attached with some groups R1, R2, R3, and over here in this p orbital we have the free radical. So free radical is nothing but we know that it is a single unpaired electron. So let's say it is filled in this orbital. So over here we can see that this is the odd electron filled and therefore it is in unhybridized state. So this is unhybridized. So this is not counted in hybridization since this is an odd electron. This is not paired. So from here we can see that only 3 bonds or only 3 hybridization parts are taking place for the carbon, thereby making it an sp2 hybridized. And we know that sp2 has the structure as trigonal planar. So I can write this is trigonal planar. And so from the options if I check, then I can write that option A is associated with first part, that is trigonal planar. Now the B part is carbocation. So carbocation is also having a similar structure to that of the free radical. So let me write carbocation. So in the carbocation case we will have a similar carbon, let's say C, connected with groups R1, R2 and R3. So in this case this p orbital will just be empty because it's a carbocation. It is having a positive charge. There are no electrons in this p orbital, thereby making it again sp2 hybridized and a trigonal planar. So from here I can write that option B is associated with first part again. So carbocation is also associated with the first part. Now the C part is carbon ion. So let us understand for the carbon ions case. So let me write carbon ion. Okay, so in the carbon ion case what happens is let's say I have this C again connected with R1, R2 and R3. So in the carbon ion case we know that the orbital will be filled with electrons, the paired electrons. So we will be having electrons filled in this particular orbital. Let me just draw one lobe, and over here we will have the paired electrons available. So that means these electrons are paired and are counting in the hybridization. So they are contributing for the hybridization. So from here we can see that the hybridization will be sp3. Since only sigma bonds are contributing in the hybridization, so we have 3 sigma bonds. That means s, p both for p2 and this one for the p3. So that means this is sp3 hybridized and thereby its shape will be pyramidal. So I can write pyramidal. So from here we can write that option C, that is carbon ion, is associated with second part. So with this we have completed the entire solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।